On Liberty is a famous essay by John Stuart Mill, first published in 1859. The essay is a defense of individual liberty and argues that individuals should have the freedom to do as they please as long as their actions do not harm others. Here is a brief summary of the key ideas in the book. On Liberty, Mill argues that the only justification for limiting individual freedom is to prevent harm to others. He asserts that people should be free to think, speak, and act as they wish, as long as their actions do not infringe on the rights of others. Mill emphasizes that individual freedom is essential for the progress of society, as it allows for creativity and experimentation, and enables people to discover new truths. Mill argues that society should not attempt to suppress opinions that it finds disagreeable, as this would stifle free expression and impede progress. Instead, he argues for an open marketplace of ideas, in which people can freely express their opinions and engage in open debate. Mill believes that the free exchange of ideas is necessary for the discovery of truth, and that society benefits when individuals are free to express their opinions and engage in open debate. In addition to defending individual freedom of thought and expression, Mill also argues for the importance of personal autonomy. He believes that people should be free to pursue their own interests and desires, as long as they do not harm others. Mill contends that people should be allowed to engage in any activity they choose, as long as it does not infringe on the rights of others. One of Mill's key arguments On Liberty is that society should not enforce a particular set of moral or religious beliefs on individuals. He believes that individuals should be free to form their own opinions and beliefs, and that they should be allowed to express those beliefs openly. Mill argues that forcing a particular set of beliefs on individuals is a form of tyranny, and that it can be just as harmful as political tyranny. Throughout the essay, Mill emphasizes the importance of individualism and the unique worth of every person. He argues that individuals should be allowed to develop their own talents and abilities, and that society should provide the conditions that allow people to flourish as individuals. In conclusion, On Liberty is a powerful defense of individual freedom and a critique of the idea that society should have the power to control the thoughts and actions of individuals. Mill's ideas have had a profound influence on political philosophy and continue to be debated and discussed today. His emphasis on individual freedom, personal autonomy, and the importance of open debate and the free exchange of ideas have had a lasting impact on modern political thought.